about grammar of Goto ni. The grammar of Goto ni is mean each, every, at intervals of something. Each, every, at intervals. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of Goto ni, you can use the verb and the noun with Goto ni. But when you use the verb with the Goto ni, you should change the verb to be the dictionary form. And the noun we just use in that form, nothing to be changed. And followed by Goto ni. And this had the meaning of each, every, at interval of something. So the next, let's go to see some sample. バスは10分ごとに通っている。バスは10分ごとに通っている。Which means the bus run every 10 minutes. The buses run every 10 minutes. The second sentence. オリンピックは4年ごとに開催される。オリンピックは4年ごとに開催される。Which means the Olympics are held every 4 years. The Olympics are held every 4 years. You see that for the first sentence, we use the noun. Which the noun in here, our noun is 10 minutes, right? Or 10分, right? And for the second sentence, our noun is the year. 4 years, right? Or 4年ごとに。The next, 彼は6ヶ月ごとに新作の小説を出している。彼は6ヶ月ごとに新作の小説を出している。Which means he puts out a new short novel every 6 months. He puts out a new short novel every 6 months. このフェリーは30分ごとに通っている。このフェリーは30分ごとに通っている。Which means this ferry runs every 30 minutes. This ferry runs every 30 minutes. You see that for the first sentence is the month. 6ヶ月ごと is the noun, so we use the noun 6ヶ月. It means 6 months, every 6 months. If we just say 6ヶ月, it means 6 months, but we plus goto, it means every 6 months. And for the second sentence, you see that we use the minute. 30分 it means 30 minutes. What we say 30分ごと it means 30分ごとに it means every 30 minutes. We can say 1時間ごとに it means every 1 hour, something like this. So I hope that you understand how to use the grammar of Goto ni with the noun and the verb.